Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at the oil daily chart here via USO, and I'm going to give my analysis and my thought process, and you're going to walk away from this video with some newfound knowledge on technical analysis as well as hopefully some profitable trade ideas based off of this free analysis video. But first, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, go ahead and give us a visit on the homepage of the website and get to know us a little bit better. If you like these free videos and analysis that we give to you on a daily basis, it's really nothing in comparison to the membership you get once you sign up with that premium membership. Once you sign up with the premium membership, you're going to get instant access to the profitable trade alerts that our current members are getting on a daily and weekly basis. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to have you start making some winning trades in the market. All right, so let's take a look at this oil chart here. If you've been following along here on USO, you know that we called for the breakout here since we broke over this trend line right here on that day. That was on September 13th. That was about a month ago, and we called for the breakout. We were targeting right here as the first target 1065. Don't believe me? Go back, watch these videos that we did right around this time. About September 13th, September 12th, September 14th, all around that time, you can see that we clearly called for the breakout there on USO. So now, and we hit our target right there, dead on 1065. All right, so now what do we do with USO? Okay, well, USO, the reason we liked it for a breakout here is because of a couple of things. All right, we liked it for a breakout because we broke over this trend line. You can see lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. You can clearly see it's really responding to that angle. Okay, anybody can just draw a trend line in the middle of the chart, and it can mean something to that person, but it doesn't necessarily mean that this stock or this commodity is going to be responding to it. But you can clearly see right here that USO and oil was reacting to this trend line. Okay, we care how price reacts to a trend line. Okay, we don't care about anything other than that. If the price is not reacting to the trend line, then the trend line doesn't matter. So that's what's key when you're drawing your trend lines. All right, so now broke over that trend line, and look at where we're coming back into. All right, coming back to retest that trend line that we broke over right there. Another thing that we have right here is also a new uptrend line started from these lows. You can see we got a bounce here, and that's lining up right there. Okay, you can see both of these trend lines lining up right here as we're heading lower. Another thing is we've got this RSI down here. You can clearly see here's a low, here's a higher low, here's some higher lows being made. So RSI is in an uptrend, and we're coming into that level right now. All right, coming into that level, not quite at it yet, but it's getting into that trend line, uptrend line retest. Another thing we have too is if you draw the Fibonacci retracements from the major recent low right there, we'll draw that from about 930 all the way up to the recent high up here, about 1060 or so, and you can clearly see we've got the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level right here that lines up perfectly with the trend line, both of those trend line retests. Another thing is if you back it up here, and I'm just going to delete this Fibonacci retracement level because it kind of clogs up the chart just from a visual standpoint. So if you take your vision out a little bit, you can clearly see that we're right here at the volume point of control right here. It's that gray bar right here is the biggest volume support or resistance that we have right here. And look at where it matches up with. Okay? Look at where it matches up with perfectly right there against that two trend lines retest as well as the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. We've got a lot of confluences of level here that are matching up, that are going to give oil here a very good chance of bouncing. So I do think that oil is going to get a bounce. Not necessarily right here. We can definitely head lower because all those levels are still a little bit below us. So I definitely think that the lower we go, the better chance, the better opportunity you're going to have down here. So anywhere between where we're at right now and about 975 is going to be that really nice bounce zone here for USO. So we are expecting a bounce, and we are going to be waiting for that, and so should you. So thank you for stopping by and watching the video, everyone. Again, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, visit us on the homepage and get to know us better. If you like these free videos that we give to you on a daily basis, it's really nothing in comparison to the membership you get once you sign up with that premium membership. Once you sign up with the premium membership, you're going to get instant access to the profitable trade alerts that our current members are getting on a daily and weekly basis. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to start giving you some winning trades.